Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Parmal. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 4 linear equations in two variable exercise 4.3 question number 6. If the work done by a body on applications of constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw a graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit, and also read from the graph work done when the distance is traveled by a body is the first option is 2 unit and the next one is 0 unit. First, so our convenient I just fixing work done is equal to y and the distance traveled, so distance is equal to x, and the given question the constant force is equal to 5 unit. Then the normally the concept, so work done of the body is directly proportional to the distance. With the distance increasing, we need a more work done to travel. So in our work done is directly proportional to distance. That means y is directly proportional to x. But here the values, the constant force is 5 unit. So the normal we just remove this one and y is equal to k times of x. So here the k is the constant value and the value is 5 unit in the questions. So just replacing the k value is equal to 5. So the final equation y is equal to 5x. So this is the two variable linear equation. The next we need to draw a graph from this point. So just I fixing x and y. So y is equal to 5x. Then substitute the values. I substitute the values of x is equal to 0. 5 cross 0 is equal to 0. So y also 0. The next point I substitute value is equal to 1. We getting 5. Maybe some more our safety purpose we just adding the one more point. So because maybe I mistake the second point, the question is wrong. That means the graph is wrong. So we need our safety just adding the one more point. So I substitute the values 2. We getting 5 cross 2 is 10 unit. So based on this table we can just draw a graph. The first point. So when x is equal to 0, we getting y also 0. This position. So 0 comma 0. Given points are x and y. So x0 means y also 0. Here x1 means y 5. Then x2 means y value is equal to 10. Then next point, x value is equal to 1. So this position, and y is equal to 5. So this point 1 comma 5. The next x is 2 means y is equal to 10. So this position 2 comma 10. So just connecting these points. So this position the values the equation is y is equal to 5x. Then, so what are the given question? The first one, we need to find the distance traveled when unit is 2. That means 2 unit. So this position, we just measuring the value. So the work done is 10 unit. For the first question, the distance traveled by 2 unit means the x-axis. We are getting the work done is 10 unit. Then the next one, so 0 unit, there is no traveling distance, so the starting position from this and also now change. So the second case, with 0 unit means, so distance traveled is 0 unit, we are getting work done also the 0 unit. Distance 0 means work done also 0. Question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 upper school, together contributed Rs 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help of earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contributions as Rsx and Rsy. So draw the graph of the same. So it's very simple. The first one, the contributions of Yamini. So we fixing x. Then the same Fatima is y. So along together they contribute 100 rupees. So x plus y is equal to 100. So this is a given point linear equation, but we need y, just substitute the values. So y is equal to 100 minus x, just placing the tables. So x and y. If x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 0, so just substitute the values. So y is also 100. Then x is equal to 10. So 100 minus 10, it's a 90. Then x is equal to 20. We're getting y value is equal to 80. So 2 point is enough, but third point is our for safety purpose. The first one, if x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 100. But so just here the scaling is fixing a 10 unit. That means each unit gave 10 rupees. So both x and y, each unit is 10 rupees. The first one, if x spends 0 means y need to spend 100. So x 0 and y value is 100. So this position. The next, x is equal to 10. We need to spend y is equal to 9. That means 90. So the next conditions, x spending 20 means, that means a 2, y need to spend 8. So this position. So just connecting the line. So this is the given linear equations, the line draw. So this equation is x plus y is equal to 100. Thank you.